What's up everybody, it's your girl Glenda and we're back with another video. If you would like to be part of the G Squad, all you have to do is click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that you are updated every time we upload a new video. On today's video, it's morning time, so we are cooking biscuits and gravy the easy way. I have 1 can of biscuits right here. Jumbo biscuits, use whatever biscuits you have. Let me tell you how easy this is about to be. 1 can of biscuits. And I have a couple of these Pioneer country sausage flavor gravy mix. We're doing it the shortcut way this morning. So, I'm going to pan up these biscuits and we're going to put them in the oven for the allotted amount of time. Use your directions on the back of the biscuits and we'll be right back to show you how to make the gravy. The next step in our biscuits and gravy, the biscuits have been panned up and they are about to get ready to go in the oven, but I have some Pernell's Old Folks country sausage patties. They come in medium and they come in hot, or you can just use a little roll of breakfast sausage so that you don't have to like crumble them up later. But this is what we have, so this is what we're going to use. And I'm only going to do these 6 right here. And you're going to cook them up until they are done. And then we are going to crumble them and put them to the side. Just put in 2 cups of water. I'm going to put another cup because I have 2 packages. And we're going to bring this to a boil. Turn this up on a medium high heat. Now in this cup, we have 1 cup left. And so according to the instructions, it says to blend the sausage mix with 1/2 cup of cool water. So we're going to change this out and make it cool water. And we're going to do a 1 cup of cool water. And we're going to blend this up in here until it has no lumps. So I'll come back to you. Now here's the package again. It says it makes 2 cups. And it's the country sausage flavor. We're just adding some more sausage to it. Directions. I had another way I wanted to do this, but I had to try it. So I'm gonna have to try it first and then come back and show y'all. So we're just going to blend this up in this measure until we have no more lumps, and then it's gonna get added to our boiling pot right over here. We're gonna add in our gravy mixture that we mixed up, and I'm just gonna whisk as I go. Hopefully y'all can see that. I'm gonna turn this down on a medium heat because I had it like on a medium high, just so that that water could boil. And I'm gonna taste this. I think the flavor tastes pretty good. It is peppery already, so you don't need to add any pepper to it. I do have the sausage taste, but I'm going to add the sausage that we chopped up and cooked earlier. So now you have a real sausage gravy to go on the top of your biscuits and gravy. Now, I'm turning this down to a low heat at this point. And just just want to mix it up, let those flavors meld in there real good. Now, we can put a top on this and just let it sit on low for maybe the next 2 to 3 minutes. And then we'll be back and I'll show you how to put this plate together. Alright? Alright you guys, so here is our breakfast all put together. You got biscuits and gravy. You have our fried potatoes and onions topped with crumbled bacon. If you would like to see more videos like this, all you have to do is click that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you're updated every time we upload a new video. And we will see you next time. Thank you guys for stopping by. Bye.